Let's see how to type closed line integral in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, first, what we want to do is use the equation function to type in our closed line, or otherwise known as contour integral. So let's go ahead to the Insert tab, click on Equation, and that will open up an equation field right here. Now click on this drop-down list among the mathematical operators and make sure to change the subset to operators so you'll be able to see all of the different operators that you can use for your equation field. And you can find the closed line integral right here under basic and array operators. It is this one, a circle with one line in the middle of it. And basically, as you can see, we now have our closed line integral right here. So you can also type simply \oint and click space or enter just like that. Now, another way that you can do this is by using the symbols in Microsoft Word. So first, you want to change our font to MS Gothic and our subset to mathematical operators. And as you can see, the same symbol that we previously inserted is the one right here, contour integral. So once we click insert, that will also show up in our document. Otherwise, we can also type in the code 222E and press Alt X on our keyboard, and that should transform into the same symbol as well. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.